As English teachers, we want to provide as much feedback for students as possible on their work, but we also find that we tend to make the same comments over and over again, and it gets a little tedious. This video will show you how to use the comment bank in Google Classroom to save you time, but still provide really targeted feedback for students. So when you go to grade an assignment in Google Classroom, and thank you to this student's parent for allowing me to use her work from a couple years ago. It usually opens the assignment in your grading screen, but if you click this little comment icon, it goes to the comment bank. If you've never used it before, this will be empty over here for you on the side. So you can just click Add to Bank to add things that you are going to use over and over again. You can see that it says add multiple comments by starting a new line. So you can either type comments into here, or you can simply copy and paste them from another document. So for example, let's say these are comments that I tend to make all the time. Your hook needs work, your thesis statement needs work. These are pretty extensive comments that have a lot of information. I definitely would not want to be making that comment over and over again. So I have written them out one time in a Word document from which I can copy and paste. I've also included YouTube links, which you can do for some remediation or extra information for students. And just a little note, anything in between two asterisks will be in bold when that comment appears on the student's work. So I can just copy anything that I have in this document and paste it in to this box and click Add. Once you do that, all of your comments will populate here in your bank and they will sit there. So for example, while I'm grading this student's work, if I need to make a comment about what this student has said here, just like I would normally start to make a comment, I can just do a hashtag. And let's say I have an issue with a sentence fragment. So as soon as I type frag, it's going to find any of my comments that have the word frag in them, and then I can just click that. Now the entire comment is there, and I would click comment to make it a part of that student's assignment. So that is a really fast way to give really detailed, targeted feedback to students without having to type things over and over again.